Hello YouTube team, Studio Tour is my YouTube channel where I pour my dedication into creating regular original content from scripting to shooting, editing and uploading. Every step is meticulously done by me, even the voiceover are my own creation. You will support me and elder brother in many videos and thumbnail showing case our genuine involvement. For filming, I rely on my trusty iPhone 7 Plus and basic tools like a Filmora, tripod stand, ring light and selfie stick, ensuring a solid foundation for quality videos. Post shoot, I edit using tools like Filmora, CapCut and InShoot. I make it a point to include copyright-free background music, often sourced from YouTube audio library. My commitment expected to avoiding any copyright infringement. No copyright under music, even voiceover find it's my into my content. Even it's one person effort to maintain originality. I kindly request through review my YouTube channel for monetization consideration. Thank you for your time and consideration. Now you can see in my shorts all my shorts are original, my creation. Even music are my own creation. Now you can see in editing Filmora layers, you can see I can effort all time to create original content.